Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you just how to do quickly as possible. Okay, let's put this thing down. So yeah, before we begin, I have everything what I need. I already used this guy here. It's very good because it's good for the stuff you can go in between without making any problems. So I already prepared. I didn't prepare yet, but it's a 5 pieces JST balance lead. And today, instead of this one, which is only I think 25 watt, yeah, 25 watt, this one here, 25 watt, I'm gonna be using this a little bit stronger 55 watt Japanese made, because I want to make it quicker, and also I would like to just put it down a little bit more to make sure that this is done with water, so it's really nice and clean. And I'm using the guy, this without lead free thing, so it shouldn't be any problem. I'm gonna be using this. You don't have to, but I like to use this when I'm preparing this flux. Whoops. When I'm preparing this leads. I'm gonna start from plus lead. So take this, and I like to take like 4 millimeters approximately. Twist it a little bit, then dip it into this solution, and then thin it. That's it. You don't have to do much of this thing. Put a little bit here, and then you can prepare it. And the second thing is to put it here. Is it seen? Yeah, it is seen. Okay, could be seen. So one at a time. Put this one first. So it's moving. But if you have a steady arm, you can do quick, relatively quick. That's all what it does need. Just a tiny thing, and that's it. And that's the result. And then when you go further, you just follow. One here, one third one here, fourth one in between, and the last one, fifth one here, right? Of course, you don't want to take cancellation. You just want to take cancellation when you done, like I finished. Oh, this one looks good to me. If you're not sure, you can always use this guy here and check, especially for older people like me. I don't think you can see. But anyway, you see what's the point. Check a little bit of your work and then continue. Next, we're gonna do this other one. The same thing, 4 or 5 millimeter. I think 4 millimeter is good. And that's it. Same thing, dip it into this. You don't have to dip it, but I like to dip it to this magic solution here. And then a little bit this guy here. And that's quick. Just prepare it. That's it. You can add a little bit more. Ideally, you would like to put it like this. But don't add too much because you don't need it. So that's a plus. Second one is minus. That's it. That's it. That's why I like the little bit stronger one, solder unit, because the reason is you can make your work much faster. Yeah, it's hard to check. And then you can do the next one. That's it. Fairly easy. Nope, that's not a good idea, because you don't want that to interfere with your work. That's good enough. Put it aside and just go with the next one, which is number 3. Goes in between. Goes here. Maybe I'm gonna just do it through this, so maybe it's gonna be seen better if I do it like this. Not really. Maybe from this side. Ideally, you shouldn't be like me. I'm kind of, yeah, it looks good. Looks good to me. Everything looks good. And we go proceed with the number 4. Same technique. Maybe I'm gonna change the angle, working angle. So maybe from here you can see a little bit better. There you go. Good. Put this away and then continue with this one here. So it goes right here. See, this is example of not good thing. Actually, it's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. It's good. And the last one goes on this one. Just press and roll it. That's how I do it. I think it's nice and easy. Okay, move this here and finish with this. Okay. Because if you work fast, then it's much easier. check. Is it good? Yeah, I think it's good. And that's it. You don't see much by this. And that's it. And there you go. That's it. It's inside. It's inside the helicopter. Where it should be. Where it's supposed to be. Nice. I like it. Okay, that was everything for today. Be good. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life. Be nice. Bye bye.